Hello everyone, this is Tony's Reviews, and today I'm gonna be reviewing and talking about the Canon EOS R100. And let me tell you, this one is impressive. I really like this. First off, if you're after a compact, lightweight camera, the EOS R100 nails it. It's the smallest and the lightest in the EOS R series, making it super portable. And 24.1 megapixels. Yes, please, combined with the Digic 8 processor, your shots are guaranteed to be top-notch. And with the dual pixel CMOS app, and whooping 143 zones, focusing is a breeze. The eye detection AF is especially neat, ensuring faces are always sharp. Action photographers, this one's for you. In my opinion, this camera offers a solid 1.5 shots per second in one shot mode. And in a nutshell, if you're looking for a content creation game or just want a reliable mirrorless camera, then this Canon EOS R100 is a fantastic pick, and I suggest it to everyone. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.